Mastering the Art of Alle Register, Vocal Techniques for Singers. Introduction. The Alle Register, also known as the falsetto register, is a vocal technique that allows singers to produce high-pitched notes with a light and airy quality. Mastering this vocal register can greatly expand a singer's range and add versatility to their performances. In this article, we will explore various vocal techniques and exercises to help singers master the Art of Alle Register. Understanding the Alle Register. The Alle Register is characterized by its distinct breathy and light quality. It is produced when the vocal folds are partially separated, allowing air to pass through, resulting in a higher pitch. Understanding the mechanics of this register is crucial for singers looking to master it. Breathing and support. Proper breathing technique is essential for achieving control and stability in the Alle Register. Singers should focus on diaphragmatic breathing, allowing the air to flow freely and supporting the sound. Regular breathing exercises can help strengthen the necessary muscles and improve breath control. Vocal warm-ups and exercises. To develop the Alle Register, singers should incorporate specific warm-up exercises into their daily practice routine. These exercises may include sirens, lip trills, and vocal slides, gradually exploring the higher range while maintaining a light and relaxed sound. Consistency is key, as regular practice will help singers strengthen their falsetto muscles. Blending registers. A crucial aspect of mastering the Alle Register is learning to smoothly transition between registers. Singers should work on blending the Alle Register with their chest and head registers to create a seamless vocal transition. Vocal exercises that focus on connecting the registers, such as octave slides and vowel modification, can aid in achieving a balanced and consistent sound. Interpretation and expression. While technique is important, true mastery of the Alle Register lies in the singer's ability to convey emotion and expressiveness. Singers should experiment with different styles and genres to explore the versatility of the Alle Register. By focusing on interpretation and connecting with the lyrics, singers can create captivating performances. Conclusion. Mastering the Art of Alle Register requires dedication, practice, and a thorough understanding of vocal technique. By incorporating the aforementioned techniques, exercises, and approaches, singers can unlock the full potential of their falsetto and expand their vocal range, adding a unique and expressive element to their performances.